This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release latch located under the steering wheel. Release the hood safety latch and raise the hood. Detach the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Chock the rear wheels. Jack up the front of the car. Place jack stands under the frame. Support the vehicle securely. Remove the starter solenoid cover. Disconnect the large cable from the terminal on the starter motor and the solenoid terminal connections. Use a pry bar to hold the stud from rotating. Remove the nut securing the ground wire. Remove the starter motor mounting stud. Remove the remaining starter mounting fasteners. Detach the starter from the engine. Maneuver the starter into place. Install the mounting fasteners and ground wire. Tighten them securely. Connect the large cable on the starter motor and the solenoid connectors. Tighten the fasteners securely. Install the solenoid cover. Remove jack stands. Lower the vehicle to the ground. Reconnect the negative battery cable.